Just a few years ago, most AI applications were simple chat interfaces. You will ask a question and receive a simple answer, and the interaction ended right there. But today, AI is evolving into something far more powerful. Modern AI agents can reason, they can think, they can make decisions, use tools, interact with external systems, process information, execute workflows, and even automate tasks with minimal human intervention. And this new generation of software is known as Agentic AI. Well, the companies around the world are investing heavily in AI agents because they represent the next evolution of intelligent automation. However, here is the major problem. Many AI courses focus on chatbots, small demos, or simple examples. Well, that looks impressive, but rarely solve real business problems. But businesses don't pay for demos. They pay for solutions. They need systems that can process documents, evaluate information, communicate with users, integrate with databases, connect with APIs, and operate reliably in production. And that is exactly what this course is about. Throughout this course, we will build a complete production-style AI recruitment platform powered by Agentic AI. This is not just a chatbot project. This is a real software system that can be connected to websites, mobile applications, SaaS products, desktop applications, and even external services throughout APIs. Our AI agent will automatically get the text out of PDF resumes, understand job descriptions and requirements, evaluate candidates, generate structured decisions, give score to applicants according to their resumes and job descriptions, identify strengths and weaknesses, provide reasoning, and help recruiters make better hiring decisions. The platform will also automatically send personalized email notifications to applicants, including evaluation results, scores, and hiring decisions. Along the way, you will learn the core engineering principles behind modern AI agents. We will cover Agentic AI fundamentals, tool using agents, workflows, planning systems, memory concepts, structured outputs, MCP, safety mechanisms, guardrails, hallucinations, human in the loop systems, and the real challenge that production AI applications face today. Once we understand the theory, we will build everything step by step using Python and modern software engineering practices. You will work with FastAPI, database, authentication systems, AI APIs, large language models, resume parsing, email automation, backend architecture, logging, deployment, and production-ready development workflows. We will also build a front-end application that communicates with our backend through APIs, helping you understand how real-world AI products are structured from end to end. This front-end will be built using Codex, so you can understand how you can use Codex and Claude to generate front-end applications faster and connected to your backend and still have full control over your agent. Well, to make learning easier, I will provide GitHub repositories throughout the course so you can compare your progress, review completed stages, and stay on the track as the project grows. Well, this is a huge and complicated project. That's why these GitHub commits will really help you follow along. Once we understand the architecture and patterns we build together, you will be able to create customer support agents, research agents, document processing systems, workflow automation platforms, business assistants, and many other production-ready AI applications. Whether you're a developer, engineer, entrepreneur, student, or simply curious about the future of AI, this course will give you practical skills that you can immediately apply to your own projects. In the next lecture, I'll give you a complete demonstration of the final platform so you can see exactly what we'll build together throughout this course. When you're ready, let's get started.